Hi guys, I'm happy to see you here on our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about pipes and what provides water to your house and how to make sure you drink clean, chemical clean water and it's safe for you. So today we're going to talk about three different types, actually two different types of the pipes and two different types of connection, which is pretty common to see in California houses and which is pretty widespread in United States. So here are some examples. One of the most common pipe which was in use till I would say late 90s. It is galvanized pipe, and it is a good choice, was back there, but not anymore because these pipes are not reliable. Over time, some contaminants and some buildups just block it and reduce the pressure in your water system, and you might see some particles in the water. You might feel water pressure became not as good as it used to be a couple of years ago. So you need to check. If you have one of them, it might be a problem. Second choice we have, it is copper pipes. And copper pipes, they're super common for new homes. They're super common for new construction. We use them every day, and with copper pipe, it's never a wrong choice. They are reliable. You can use them for 25-30 years and nothing gonna happen to them. So as I said earlier, we have two choices of pipes, which we don't use anymore actually, and two choice of connection or fittings, which we use with these pipes. I was talking about copper piping and two different types, how we connect them together. And you might think why it is critical, why it's such important thing, but I will tell you why, and I will explain you why it's important. First one, it is soldering, one of the most common connection which you can see on the market right now and which you can see inside your home. And second one, it is press fitting. Press fitting made a little bit different. It is a little bit newer than soldering, and right now we use it every day, and I see many contractors, they are switching to the side of the press fittings because it is faster, it is more reliable, and also it is chemical free. So what I mean, if you need to connect these pipes together, you might use soldering. And to do soldering, you need to use a couple things additional to the piping. One of them, it calls flux, and flux, so it's a special chemical. It is an acid which helps soldering material to stick to the pipe itself. So in order to do this connection, you need to apply flux all around the pipe and also all around the fitting. Apply it inside, then connect them together and solder with brazing torch and soldering material. You might think that during this process all the flux will go away, but answer is no. It's not gonna go away. It's gonna stay inside the pipe, and while it's there, you drink it together with water. So I heard different opinion on the internet. It is harmful, it's not, but it's definitely not the stuff I want to drink or I want to eat, right? So if you don't want to drink or don't want to eat flux, in that case you need to go with press fitting. And press fitting, that's a choice for you if you want to make sure pipes are clean, you don't need to worry about it, and it is leak proof and safe for your health. So right, if we're talking about press fittings are really simple. It is O-ring, rubber O-ring inside fitting, which goes above the pipe itself, and we use special tool to crimp it together, and it makes this connection leak free. It makes it chemical free because there is no contact of the water with external chemicals. So you drink clean water, and your pipe will serve you for 25-30 years. I hope it was helpful. Right now you know about piping a little bit more, and you know what kind of connection we can apply. So if you like it, please hit the like button, and see you in the next one.